Mr. Chair, you were interviewed on Billionario Channel by Miss Pinky Webb.
Yan.
Basahin ko po, sabi niya, Senator Ping, para sa inyo, sino ba ang sabihin natin worth it or dapat na ikonsidera na state witness na ipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program? And you responded, at this point between Diskaya and Bryce Hernandez, Mr. Chair, question is, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
Ayan.
That's my perspective, no? That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion. That
I am not questioning your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the chairman of this committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo eh. An investigator, we are investigating.
Away kagad tayo rito.
Mr. Chair, we are still investigating.
Ayan. Yan nga yung mga chairman kasi nagbibigay ng mga opinion. Ikaw, chairman, hindi ka dapat magbigay ng opinion. Ayan. Diyan mo makita pag ang chairman, ayan, nagkainitan agad mga kaibigan sa simula pa lang. Grabe. Mas binibigyan pala ng bigat ni Lacson si Bryce. Nakamute. Huwag i-mute. Yan ang problema pag abogado at hindi abogado. Biruin mo chairman at senate, sila ang namimili. Sinong pwedeng gawing witness protection may protection. Yun ang problema dyan. So, pwede talaga nilang ilis.
Session is resumed. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
Thanks, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of these proceedings if you will not allow me raise these points. Maybe in the plenary this afternoon, I will raise it.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed with your statement.